good afternoon, wherever you are tuning in. This is day number 36 of the YouTube channel. Today is the 5th of October, and we are covering events for October 2022. So in the morning, I woke up, I did 45 minutes of walking with a 3-minute jog. I took Becky to school. Then I went to the gym. I did 15 minutes of walking at the gym and 10 minutes in the massage chair. In the afternoon, I made this video. Then I checked emails and the checklist. Then I attended a Century 21 training on Introduction to Moxie. Then I had a 3M claim call from an attorney about the 3M claim from the military, the hearing issue. Then did some book price updating and FBA buying. And then in the evening, I did the Remote Wellness Academy module 3-7. This particular module is like 3.5 hours long. So I managed to get through, how long did I manage to get through? I managed to get through, and then it was also not only that, but there's also, I have to go back to several modules because there's certain projects that take time, like there's daily water consumption, daily food intake. So I did 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I have another 1.5 hours more. It's 3 hours and 43 minutes in this particular module, so it's going to take some time. So other than that, not much else to report. Just working hard as usual and getting things taken care of. And I look forward to talking to you again tomorrow. Thank you.